Are you thinking of selling your home? Well, you might be making a costly mistake that could leave your house sitting on the market for weeks or even months.
Stay tuned to find out the #1 mistake sellers are making right now and how you can avoid it.
Hi, we're Doug and Rachel Swardstrom with the Swardstrom Group and Coldwell Banker, and we're your Orange County real estate experts.
Today, we're diving into the #1 mistake that can cost home sellers thousands of dollars: overpricing your home.
In fact, it's one of the most common errors we see, and in today's market, it can really hurt your chances of selling. So let's break down why this happens, what you can do to avoid it, and how a trusted real estate agent can make all the difference.
Let's start with the biggest pitfall: setting your asking price too high. Many sellers think if I price my home high, I can always come down later. But here's the problem. When you overprice, you scare off serious buyers, and your home can sit on the market longer than expected, and as time passes, your listing starts to look stale. Buyers might think something's wrong with the property or that you're not serious about selling. Eventually, you might have to reduce the price to attract interest. But by then, the initial buzz around your listing has faded. So think of it like this. The first few weeks your home is on the market are crucial. This is when you have the most visibility, the most buyer interest, and the best chance of getting a good offer. But if the price isn't right, you're missing that prime opportunity. Instead of drawing buyers in, you're pushing them away. The goal is to price your home competitively from the start so you attract multiple offers and create a sense of urgency.
Also, we want to let you know that if you find this video and other videos on our channel helpful, just hit the subscribe button and the alert so that we can keep you updated on the real estate market here in Southern California. Another mistake we see is when sellers price their homes based on what they want to make, not on what the market says their home is worth. You might see a neighbor's house sell for top dollar and think yours should do the same, but every home is different. Factors like location, size, condition, and features play a huge role. Just because your neighbor's house has a waterfront view or a solar panels doesn't mean your property will automatically fetch the same price. It's crucial to understand that pricing should be data-driven, not emotionally driven. That's where knowledgeable real estate agents come in. Agents use tools like a comparative market analysis or a CMA to assess your home's value compared to similar properties in your area. They consider the current market trends, recent sales, and the unique characteristics of your home to set a fair and realistic price. It's not about guessing or hoping. It's about strategic, fact-based approach that maximizes your chances of a successful sale.
And let's not forget the impact of ignoring current market conditions. We've seen a major shift since the pandemic boom, and the market has stabilized. Pricing your home based on outdated information or peak pandemic prices can put you at a serious disadvantage. An experienced agent stays up to date with these changes and can guide you on how to price your home in today's market, not last year's. This expertise ensures that your home stands out for all the right reasons and attracts serious buyers who are ready to make a move.
Lastly, don't fall into the trap of thinking you can price high and negotiate down. While it seems like a good strategy to leave room for negotiation, it often backfires. Buyers today are well informed and have plenty of options. If they see a home priced way above its value, they'll simply move on to the next one. You lose that critical initial interest, and the longer your home sits on the market, like Rachel said, the more the leverage you lose as a seller. Instead, setting a realistic price from the start creates a competitive environment where buyers feel compelled to make strong offers. You want buyers to feel like they're getting a great deal, not like they're walking into a negotiation battle. And again, this is where having a skilled agent can really pay off. They'll find you that perfect balance.
So a great example is we just closed on a home in Orange County a week ago. This home was on the market twice before with a different agent that didn't specialize in the local neighborhood, one that we know so well. So we were able to close the home $1 million higher using the same pricing strategy and had a very, very happy seller. So, bottom line is overpricing your home can cost you time, money, and the best opportunities to sell. Working with a trusted real estate agent who understands the market, uses the right tools, and provides an objective perspective is your best move.
If you're planning to sell, don't go at it alone. Let us help you navigate the complexities of pricing and get your home sold quickly and for the right price. Reach out to us today and let's chat about your options.
So thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell so you don't miss out on our next update. And if you're ready to get started, contact us using the information below. We'd love to help you achieve your real estate goals.